In this session, you will learn to share your Hikvision device to other users. The device may be any Hikvision DVR, network video recorder, or IP camera. But first, let's understand what is the purpose of sharing the device. Let's consider a case where you have installed a DVR. To view the DVR on your mobile, you have installed Hikvision mobile application. For this to achieve, you will first have to register your account in the mobile app with a username and password, and then adding device, that is your DVR, to your account. Let's put the topic of registering the account out of the scope of this session. So we assume that you already have a registered account with device, that is your DVR, already added in that account. Once logged in with username and password into your account, you may be able to access cameras connected to your device, that is your DVR. Now there is a requirement where multiple users need to access DVR with mobile application. One classic example of such requirement is the play school, where number of parents need access to the cameras. In such situation, you may make use of share function of Hik Connect mobile application. Here you will be the administrator account who will share access to various user accounts. Maximum allowed such user accounts are 64 as per data provided by Hikvision. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, let's learn how to register a user account. For that, click on Hik Connect mobile application. Click login / register. Click on register. Click on agree. This is basically for agreeing to the terms and condition of the mobile application manufacturer. Select the region, that is India, already selected. Click on write. Now put the email address of the user. This email address should already be existing. So here write down the email address of the user. Write down a password. Password should be containing 8 to 16 characters. And should be containing at least one number, a lower and uppercase letter, and a special character. So here we write down the password. And click on get security code. You will be getting a security code on your mail ID. So let's go to the mail. Here we have received this security code. So 6889 is the security code received from Hikvision. So we need to put this security code in our mobile application. Click on finish. So the user account is created. We have registered the user account. with the help of email ID and password. Now log out of this account. After logging out, log in with your administrator account that you already have. Type the password. Click login. So once logged in, you can see that our device, that is DVR, is already added in the administrator account. You can see the cameras. Come back and click on more and click on manage share settings. Now click on this plus sign to add the user account for the purpose of sharing this device. Type the email address here. This is the email address of the user account that we created a few moments ago. Click on the right sign on the top right of the screen. Now click on next. Click on the drop down sign to select the cameras that you want to share with the user account. You can share all the cameras as well as the camera of your choice. So here we will be sharing only two cameras, the camera number 1 and camera number 2 with the user account, and then click on next. Now to select the other permissions that will be allowed to the user, click the arrow sign in front of the camera number 1. Here you can select the rights that user can enjoy. If you want to give user all the rights, then select all, means remote playback, alarm, two-way audio and the PTZ functionality. If you don't want to give any rights except live view, then deselect all other permissions. So only user have the permission for live viewing. Come back, click on finish. So now the device is shared with the user that we have just created a few moments back. Now what the user need to do on his mobile, he need to log in to the Hikconnect mobile application with the help of his username and password. So let's go to the user mobile. So we have just opened the Hikconnect application on the user mobile. Here we will fill up the information, that is the username and the password of the user account. After filling the username and the password, click on login. So you have got a message, you have one new sharing, view now or later. Click on view now. Here you need to click on accept the sharing. So you can see now the user can see two cameras. This is because only two cameras were shared with the user account. So user can see or perform only those functions for which he has got the permission. In this case he has got the permission to only live view the two cameras. So this is the way we can share to multiple users. So let's summarize it once again. Administrator account will create user accounts first to whom he wants to share the cameras. So once the user accounts are created, he will follow the process that we have just explained to share the device with them one by one and setting the permissions.